Hello everyone, welcome to Skilldouble. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles for free and that too with few easy steps. So let's begin. So guys, in order to add the subtitles, I'm going to use Microsoft's application called as Clipchamp. It's available in the Windows Store. I will provide you the link in order to download Clipchamp onto your PC or laptops. So once you are on the application, this is how the editor page will look like. And from here, you can add the medias onto subtitles. So I will import media from my laptop. Here I will add my video onto the timeline. So this is the video I had captured onto which I would need subtitles. So once I add the video onto the timeline, I have to select the video, and then in order to add subtitles onto it, I have to click on captions. But first, let us see how the audio looks like for this particular Hello everyone, video. Welcome to Skilldouble. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles for free and that too with few easy steps. So let's begin. Okay, so now we will try to add the captions onto it. Click on caption, turn on auto caption. You can keep English United States and then click on turn on auto captions. Now if you see, it has automatically added the subtitles. There are few mistakes that has happened, but it's okay, as in you can change it. It at times misinterprets certain words that has spoken in the video. So make sure you do a proofread, you check it once, and then you can change it from here. So here you can see it has given the transcript of the video, wherein you can change it. So it just mentioned or spelled skill double as skill level, so I will correct it. I think rest of the things are good. Now let us see if everything come up correctly or not. All right, so the subtitles have come up correctly. There are a few more things that we can do on subtitles, is that you can change its font. All right, so let me close the captions and double click on it. You have to just double click on the caption. You will see it will now allow you to change the font. So let me change the font. I usually keep it as Anton, and then you can increase its size a bit if you want, increase and reduce its size from here. And alignment, you want to keep it on right, middle, or on the left hand side, and based on your requirement you can do it. I usually keep it in middle, and then I'm going to change the color of the font to black. And oops, now I have to need to change the background as well. Now it looks good, and usually I keep the font color as black and yellow as the background. You can change the position if you need, on top, left, right, bottom, based on your requirement. I prefer to keep it in the middle and at bottom. All right, so let's see how the subtitle looks now. Hello everyone, welcome to Skilldouble. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles for free and that too with few easy steps. So let's begin. Wow, so I think the subtitles have also come up nicely. So guys, this is how you can add subtitles for free, and Clipchamp is going to do it automatically for you. So no manual work needs to be done over here while adding subtitles, saving a lot of time for you. I hope this video have been valuable to you. If yes, then please click on that like button. Also subscribe and share my video for such awesome videos. Stay tuned to my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care and bye for now.